So we start off today's video with this hair transformation. And the stylist does this beautiful, effortless bob haircut with this one. Features a nice center part down the middle. And ends just above the shoulders. Hello everyone. So today we're going to be checking out some short haircuts, options, and ideas that you can play around with this season. So if you are in need of some major hair inspiration, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have another bob style. This one is a bit of a Pixie or mini bob variation, and it is a very popular trend that we are seeing for the 2023 summer season. Beautiful. She looks absolutely gorgeous, and I love the way that this perfectly frames her jawline. So then we move into another hair transformation. This one features a beautiful pixie cut. Her hair is so thick. It has this really pretty texture to it. And this pixie came out absolutely amazing. So next up we have a hair tutorial of how to style this bob. So she's kind of blow drying the hair with this brush that's built in with the dryer, really creating a lot of height, volume, and texture throughout. She has so much body and movement within this, such a chic, fun cut. And then we see a major hair transformation into this really pretty pixie style. Loving the design that this has going on the side, and it also features some longer bangs. So here we have someone rocking out the copper hair color trend. Wow, looks like she went even redder with this copper tone and decided to mix it up with a pixie haircut. So pretty. Love how she kept the bangs longer in the front. She looks amazing. So then we move into another hair transformation. Beautiful bob haircut. Looks like she got some ombre for the coloring. And then we have this nice Pixie haircut. This one features a really pretty bright blonde shade, followed by another Pixie that features a lot of waves and curls mixed in. Beautiful texture for this one. And then we have an all black Pixie style with lots of curls, a little bit of waves on the side. And then here we're going to have another bob haircut transformation. I really like how her bob looked with her natural texture, but the stylist does do a blowout here. But this is absolutely gorgeous. Her hair is just so thick and full. Perfect. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these bob and pixie styles with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.